guys, Durban and Cape Town, those two are on fire. Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, Kubi at Durban and Cape Town. There's no place to hide for illegal foreigners in Durban and Cape Town. Things are very bad. In these videos, I had to cut some clips. I had to cut some parts of these videos because yay Kubi bayashawa abantu laphaya. Durban and Cape Town, hayi Kubi guys, Kubi kumnyama. There's no place to hide for these people. Whether you are in town or in the township, kuyafana. They make sure they fish you out, whether you are in the city, you are in the town, you are in the township. They make sure they fish you out from there. There's no place to hide there. Hayi Kubi, Kubi.
One time,
Njengoba nizwa nje guys, kuyakhalwa, abantu bayashawa. I had to cut some parts. As I said, I had to cut some parts because yay Kubi induku ekhala laphaya. South Africans are angry. South Africans are tired. The message is clear. Hambani. We told you before the 30th of June, ukuthi hambani, leave our country, and you refused. You said you are not going anywhere. This is the time la okumele ukuthi babone khona ukuthi it was not a joke. Now is the time for them to see ukuthi kwakungadlalwa uma kuthiwa go back home, go and fix your countries before the 30th of June. They thought those who left South Africa before the 30th of June bayilima. Njengamanje, there's no time to peg. I remember Victoria Africa warned them, told them, if you are not leaving South Africa now, you will go home empty-handed. You will go home kicking and screaming. This is what is happening right now. Those promises and warnings of Victoria Africa are happening today because they refuse, they are stubborn, they refuse to leave. Now it's happening exactly as she said. They are kicking and screaming and they will go home empty-handed. Ngoba banenkani.
Azatela holo, azatela holo. Asuselo nata, asuselo nata. Sina sina masulu, vela masulu. Dennis. Asuselo nata. Sina sina masulu. Kwela kwaZulu weshilungisi balele lapho khona awusele natate awuthina singamaZulu ngempela abantwana eMaritzburg siyacela akasavula lo kumele avula umuntu okaZulu udlula umuntu uvule kanjani umama intombazane ingane umbani wedlula la yamuzi uvule kanjani umntwana uzavale ngoba la isekhaya ngeke sizamamuntu umuntu.
Angithi uyezwa, it's your right, it's your country. Wherever you pass, ubabona bevulile. If you see them operating in your town, noma kuphi lapho ongabafuni khona, ask them, uvule kanjani? Why are you still here? It's your right as a citizen of this country. You are the owner of this country. You have a right to ask them. Awabo ama-rights, their own rights are in their countries, in Ethiopia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nigeria, wherever they are coming from. La kukhala esakhe isicathulo. Wena ushaya u5 la, not to Ramaphosa. Ramaphosa is not the owner of this country. This country does not belong to Ramaphosa. This country does not belong to the ANC or the GNU. This country belongs to all of us. This country is for us. This country is for our ancestors who were unallied for it, not for Ramaphosa. This country does not and will never belong to Ramaphosa. He is not the owner of this country. Ramaphosa is not even the owner of Limpopo or Shawela, Soweto, where he was born. He only owns his properties, the properties he bought with the money he stole from this country, but not the country. He will never own this country. This country belongs to us. The country is not for them. It will never be for them. Sishaya makwerekwere, vula. Sishaya makwerekwere, vula. Hayi, ziyakhala bantasi, ziyakhala patriots, ziyakhala kubi. Angithi siyayibona-ke into eyenza ukuthi ugovernment wethu engafuni si-unite as ama-tribes ase-South Africa. Basaba yona lento yokuthi we will speak in one voice. And sizokwenza lento esiyenzayo. Look at what is happening in Cape Town. Akudlalwa eCape Town. Look at what is happening in Northwest. Same thing. And bonke o-government abafuni ama-citizens abo a-unite abe munye. Njengoba ubona ko-Zimbabwe, ugovernment uyajabula ukuthi amaShona maNdebele abazwani. Ngoba once they come together and speak in one voice, government is in trouble. So that is why they are making sure that they are using this tribalism thing right now to divide us. And we must not allow them. But unfortunately, these Africans from other countries, they don't see ukuthi le division yabo yiyo ekhosa what they are going through. They don't even realize that their governments are the cause of their division. And this division and tribalism thing is the cause of what they are going through right now. But they don't want to understand that. Instead, they are allowing these politicians to divide them even more. They are fighting, they are allowing these politicians to win. Aliphumi Zayizay lingasudukeli Zayizay aliphumi Qarakwena. Sevala wethu Hey. Awuvali Denisa wena. Wesichazela lutho. Vala.
Abanye
Guys, that's all we have for today. But please stand up wherever you are, in your town, your township, your village, wherever you are. Stand up and fight for your community. Defend yourself, because as you can see, these people, you must know what they are coming to your area to cause destruction, to cause havoc. So don't allow them. Let these people pack and go back to their countries. Let them not move up and down in South Africa to cause problems. Take care of your people. Take care of your children. Make sure that they are safe from these people. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.